Right then, hello. I'm going to try and do a little video on this. So I own a Jeanneau 45.2 boat, and on this model my P bracket is encased in a load of resin. And Jeanneau used an old green, well, it wasn't green, an old copper wire that was prone to rusting and disintegrating. So anyway, mine has rusted and disintegrated, and my only real option now is to try and chip away at the resin that's there to try and find the P bracket inside and get a new earth wire on that. So yeah, it's not easy. I'm going to show you and see if I can get this done. Yeah, let's see how we get on. Okay, so this is the lump of resin in question. As you can see, I've tried already to try and hack away at it with a multi-tool. There's a little bit of cable left there. The multi-tool option is not working at all, so I'm going to try and drill a load of holes and then try and chisel out until I can get deep inside to find the P bracket. It's not going to be pretty. I'm not looking forward to it, but I need to get this done properly, otherwise I'm just going to have this problem forever. So yeah, here we go. I'll touch base in a minute. Right then, probably 4 hours later, I guess. Success. I managed to chip away at the resin, some kind of like stone resin or something, to find the connection to the P bracket. So I used a drill to drill some holes, make some holes down into it. Then I used a heat gun to heat up the resin as much as I could. Then I used a chisel and a hammer to, well, chisel and hammer away at it. And, well, it worked. I managed to dig down enough to find what I needed to find. I've got the screw out and the old connector. So now I'm just going to buff it up a little bit to make a nice connection, and then put a new screw in it, and I'm going to seal up a new earth cable inside the new epoxy and have that sticking out. I'm going to leave enough out so in the future, if it does corrode, I can just shorten what I've got and reconnect to it. But for now, I'm just going to have one cable coming out and connecting up to my earth point on the engine. So yeah, I'll show you what I've done, kind of show you how far down I've had to go in case you've got to do the same thing. All right. Okay, so here it is. Here's the hole that I've dug away. If I try and go down a little bit, you can see the P bracket connector there, and the hole where my my bolt is going to go into. Yeah, I think I've had to drill down, pick away the resin. Not too much, I guess, a couple of centimeters. Let me see, I'm just going to try and measure it for you now. Yeah, I had to go down about 3 inches, I guess. Yeah, about 3 inches to the top of the P bracket. So if you ever have to do this, you know how far you've got to go down. Obviously, I haven't weakened this too much now, and I can easily fill that up with some epoxy and a bit of gel coat, epoxy, some fiber, and then potentially a bit of gel coat on the top just to smooth it away. Anyway, I'll show you a little video at the end when I've put in the cable and got that all out. But for now, success, and I couldn't be happier. Thank you very much. Hi there. Okay, so another little update for you. After successfully digging out the resin down to my P bracket, I finally got to the old screw that was connected to the cable. So I've taken it all out now. We got a bar of copper Prosperous copper, and I've bolted that in to the P-bracket. That's going to be exposed coming out of the resin, and then I've got my anchor point there for my new earth wire. So yeah, I'll just give you a quick look, and maybe it's something you guys can do in the future. All right, hold on. Okay, as I was explaining, there is my bar that I've connected. I've connected that into the P-bracket down there. That's going to be resined in now, and you can see I've got a nice anchor point for the future. I've got a nice cable connected to that, and if there's ever a problem in the future, I need to change it or something happens to the cable, I haven't got to go digging down to find the P-bracket. I can literally just unscrew this cable here at the top of the anchor point and job done. So yeah, pretty good fix. I'm really happy with it. I don't know why Jeanneau didn't do that in the beginning. It would have made much more sense, but there we go. Job done. Thanks very much.